Pegasus spyware. What does the word Pegasus mean? The word is from Greek mythology. A mythological white horse with wings. It was called Pegasus. But today, in our modern world, Pegasus is a spyware. Pegasus is spyware, developed by the Israeli cyber arms firm NSO Group, that can be covertly installed on mobile phones and other devices, running most versions of iOS and Android. The 2021 Project Pegasus revelations suggest that the current Pegasus software can exploit all recent iOS versions up to iOS 14.6. As of 2016, Pegasus was capable of reading text messages, tracking calls, collecting passwords, location tracking, accessing the target device's microphone and camera, and harvesting information from apps. Pegasus was discovered in August 2016, after a failed installation attempt on the iPhone of a human rights activist led to an investigation revealing details about the spyware, its abilities, and the security vulnerabilities it exploited. News of the spyware caused significant media coverage. NSO Group. Pegasus spyware was developed by Israeli company NSO Group. NSO Group Technologies, NSO standing for Neve, Shalev, and Omri, the names of the company's founders, is an Israeli technology firm whose spyware called Pegasus enables the remote surveillance of smartphones. It was founded in 2010 by Neve Karmi, Omri Levi, and Shalev Julio. It employed almost 500 people as of 2017 and is based in Herzliya, near Tel Aviv, Israel. NSO Group is a subsidiary of the Q Cyber Technologies group of companies. Q Cyber Technologies is the name the NSO Group uses in Israel, OZ Technologies in Luxembourg, and in North America, it has a subsidiary named Westbridge. It has operated through other companies around the world. According to several reports, software created by NSO Group was used in targeted attacks against human rights activists and journalists in various countries, was used in state espionage against Pakistan, and played a role in the murder of Saudi dissident Jamal Khashoggi by agents of the Saudi government. In October 2019, instant messaging company WhatsApp, and its parent company Facebook sued NSO and Q Cyber Technologies under the U.S. Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, CFAA. NSO claims that it provides authorized governments with technology that helps them combat terror and crime. Pegasus Project, investigation. The Pegasus Project is an international investigative journalism initiative that revealed government's espionage on journalists, opposition politicians, activists, business people and others using the private NSO Group's Pegasus spyware. Pegasus is ostensibly marketed for surveillance of serious crimes and terrorism. In 2020, a target list of 50,000 phone numbers leaked to Forbidden Stories, and an analysis revealed the list contained the numbers of leading opposition politicians, human rights activists, journalists, lawyers and other political dissidents. More than half of these phones that were inspected by Amnesty International's cybersecurity team revealed forensic evidence of the Pegasus spyware, a zero-click Trojan virus developed by NSO Group. This malware provides the attacker full access to the targeted smartphone, its data, images, photographs and conversations as well as camera, microphone and geolocation. This information was passed along to 17 media organizations under the Pegasus Project umbrella name. Reports started to be published by member organizations on July 18, 2021, revealing notable non-criminal targets and analyzing the practice as a threat to freedom of the press, freedom of speech, dissidents and democratic opposition. On 20th of July, 14 heads of state were revealed as former targets of Pegasus malware. Various parties called for further investigation of the abuses and a limitation on trading such repressive malware, among them the newsrooms involved, the Committee to Protect Journalists, the International Press Institute, and Edward Snowden. Regions and targets. Targets include known criminals as well as human rights defenders, political opponents, lawyers, diplomats, heads of state and nearly 200 journalists from 24 countries. The Guardian mentioned 38 journalists in Morocco, 48 journalists in Azerbaijan, 12 journalists in the United Arab Emirates and 38 journalists in India as having been targeted. Heads of state and government. According to an analysis by the German newspaper Die Zeit, the following incumbent and former heads of state and government have been targeted, implying possible full access to their mobile phones' data. Noureddin Bedouin, former Prime Minister of Algeria. Mostafa Madbouli, Prime Minister of Egypt. Charles Michel, former Prime Minister of Belgium and current President of the European Council. Emmanuel Macron, President of France. Edouard Philippe, former Prime Minister of France. Edith Chabert, wife of Edouard Philippe. Most French ministers. Numerous French diplomats. Barham Salih, President of Iraq. Bakiteshan Sajantayev, former Prime Minister of Kazakhstan. Saad Hariri, Prime Minister of Lebanon. Mohammed VI, King of Morocco. Sadruddin Othmani, Prime Minister of Morocco. Imran Khan, Prime Minister of Pakistan. Cyril Ramaphosa, President of South Africa. Ruhakana Rugunda, former Prime Minister of Uganda. Ahmed Obaid bin Dagr, former Prime Minister of Yemen.